In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to create or set a shortcut key to open USB pen drive in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, we need to create a shortcut for our USB pen drive or USB flash drive. So by that, you need to bring up your File Explorer, click on it. You can also press Windows key and E key together. In that way, you'd be able to open the File Explorer. So navigate to the left pane. You can see there this PC. Click on that one. Once you've clicked on it, you'll get to see the devices and drives that are present in your Windows 11. So select your USB pen drive or flash drive, make a right click, and from here you'll get to see show more options. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you would be able to see this option called Create Shortcut. Click on it, and this window would appear. Windows can't create a shortcut. Do you want to create shortcut to be placed on the desktop instead? Please click on Yes. Once you click on it, close the windows, and you'll be able to create a shortcut here for your pen drive or for your flash drive. And in order to create or set a shortcut key for your pen drive or flash drive, all you need to do is you need to make a right click while selecting it, and then please navigate to the properties. So here you would be able to open this window. Please proceed to shortcut key, delete this. Okay, and if it's not removing, just directly type the key that you would like to set up with. So for example, you would like to use, in my case, Control Alt and then J E key or F key. F key this time, okay? Control Alt and F key together. In that way, I would be able to set this shortcut key here for my pen drive or for my flash drive. I'll just need to click on apply and then click on OK. And if you would press, in my case, Control Alt and F key together, I would be able to open my pen drive or my flash drive here. Okay? So that's how easy on how to set up or how to create a shortcut key for your USB flash drive or USB pen drive in your Windows 11. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.